Hey guys, well tonight marks the 1 year anniversary of when we started doing YouTube. So 1 year ago today we started taping and putting these videos together, and it's amazing to see how far it's come. I mean, not just the quality of our videos, but I mean you subscribers and viewers and the outpour that we've got from you guys. It's amazing. It makes me get out there and keep making these videos. This year's been crazy. I mean, it's been nuts. My work schedule's been nuts. I mean, it's just, I'm fighting for every chance I get to get in the garage and tape. So, next year is even going to be even crazier. We have projects piled up in the backyard right now because I keep buying them.
We need to finish one though, and we're really trying.
As soon as I wrap up the 37, we're on to Liz Packard.
Yay.
That's going to be a great build. And then I even bought a mini car with a street bike engine in it. It's a little Ford Coupe, and it's going to be street legal. It's going to be a fun build. But the reason for this video tonight is we want to reach out to you guys. We're looking for your input on our channel. We want to know what you want to see.
Yeah, so maybe in the comment section below if you can tell us what you guys enjoy seeing. Maybe more tips, longer videos, shorter videos, anything like that.
Yeah, I mean, let me know what I'm doing that you guys like, okay? I know the tour review, I got a lot of response to that. You guys are liking tour review. So I'm going to try to make a point at the end of every video to review something. So, and let you guys know where I buy it and what it should cost you. But tonight, yeah, we just want to say thank you. You guys that are buying merchandise from us, t-shirts, hats, lanyards, it's a shock to me to see where I've shipped these things to. I've shipped them all over the world, and it's just so cool to see who's watching. I mean, you guys are all over the world and you're watching and commenting. I really appreciate it. It drives me to get out there and keep making these videos. Those of you that haven't bought merchandise, I'm not pushing you. This is not an info commercial, alright? But if you do want to, you can go online to
BrokeBastardGarage.com,
and you can click on the BBG gear button at the top, and it'll take you to our store where we have all the stuff. And we might be adding a few more things this year to that. I've kept it pretty simple so far. But we do appreciate it, guys, and any money that comes in from it, we just throw it into these builds. It's not a lot, but, you know, whatever helps, man. We don't have the budget for these builds, so we're just making it happen. But with that being said, we'd like to thank the two sponsors we picked up this year. DEI, Design Engineering Inc., they sent us all types of stuff. I mean, those guys were so helpful. They liked the videos, and they took and sent us 2 boxes full of different things for the 37. And I know you saw some of the safety gear and stuff. I know you've probably seen the banners in the garage and all, but these guys were really cool and reached out. Forever Sharp steering wheels is another one that reached out to us, and you saw in the last video when I put the wheel in the 64. We really look forward to working with these guys in the future. But tonight is about you guys. Let us know what you think. We're trying to make sure we're producing content that you guys want to see, and we'll go from there. So guys, thank you.
Yeah, again, big thanks to all, and you let us know what you want to see, and we'll try to get it out to you.
Alright guys, well you have a great night, and look for the new video this week.